Hello and welcome to Boolean Searching for LATI training. This guide was originally created by Gail Zazada of the Anne Arundel County Public Library. Now for the history of Boolean searching. It all started with George Boole. He was the inventor of Boolean algebra, which combines the principles of algebra with logic. About 70 years after his death, Boolean logic was used to optimize the design of telephone routing circuits. It was then a short step from the telephone to the computer. Today, Boolean logic forms the basis for electronic circuit design and function. Boolean searching and the Internet. The Internet is an enormous database of information. As a database, it must conform to certain specifications. Although web pages often look very different from each other, the computer language that is used to create the pages must be laid out in a certain style, using prescribed headings and embedded codes. It is this underlying organization that allows search engines to retrieve, catalog, and display information to the searcher. Now for the Boolean operators, and, or, and not. The three Boolean operators that traditionally apply to Boolean searching on the Internet are and, or, and not. Note that when you use these terms in a Boolean search, they must be typed in all capital letters. This tells the search engine that you are using a Boolean term. In small letters, these words are considered stop words and are usually ignored by the search engine. Boolean ice cream. Most of the explanations that I've seen for using Boolean logic on the Internet involve the use of Venn diagrams, intersecting circles and concept labels that are shaded to show how these do or don't overlap. I don't know about you, but this type of explanation brings back my math phobia and my mind goes blank. So I decided to explain Boolean logic using ice cream cones. Here we have three flavors: vanilla, chocolate, and strawberry. These aren't my favorite flavors, but they are easy to reproduce in PowerPoint. We're going to find these flavors in Auntie M's famous homemade ice cream shop. Okay, so we walk into Auntie M's, see three flavors, vanilla, chocolate, and strawberry. Auntie M has one rule in her shop. If you order a double or triple dip cone, you must choose different flavors. You can't choose 2 scoops of vanilla or 3 scoops of chocolate. So, using the Boolean AND concept, let's see what we can do. In the past year, 13,200 of Auntie M's customers ordered a single dip chocolate cone, and 14,300 ordered a single dip vanilla cone. However, only 1,950 people ordered the combination chocolate and vanilla. Now, I'm kidding about Auntie M's customer numbers. These figures actually come from a Google search of these terms, but they do illustrate how AND will narrow a search. Asking for a search of chocolate cone and vanilla cone results in a smaller set of results than asking for either of those terms separately. By adding a third flavor, strawberry, or search term strawberry cone, our results are narrowed even more. Here's the graphic that Auntie M uses to tell people about the flavors available in her shop. As you can see, her customers can choose chocolate or vanilla or strawberry. One day, Auntie M decides to add a new flavor to her store, pistachio. Now people can choose between chocolate or vanilla or strawberry or pistachio. Auntie M has broadened the number of flavors that her customers can order. As you can see from this example, the more search terms you link with the OR Boolean term, the more results you will get in your Internet search. In this case, chocolate cone or vanilla cone equals 25,300, chocolate cone or vanilla cone or strawberry cone equals 27,800, and chocolate cone or vanilla cone or strawberry cone or pistachio cone equals 28,200. Using the Boolean NOT operator will eliminate a term from your search. One month, Auntie M's customers ordered lots of chocolate ice cream, but not strawberry. Because Google doesn't support full Boolean searching on its front page search box, I use a different search engine, Ask.com, to get the results figures for a chocolate, not strawberry search. I then use Google's advanced search and ask it to first search for chocolate and then search for chocolate without the word strawberry. So, that's all there is to Boolean searching. Just remember 3 simple terms, and, or, and not. And will broaden your search, or will narrow your search, not will narrow your search as well. The next time that you aren't finding exactly what you're looking for, try using one of these Boolean operators in your search. You may find that you get much more targeted results.